Is this the best sling bag? Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Dunn. Today I'm going to talk about a sling bag, which is the KNF concept camera sling bag, but you can use it as a regular sling bag as well. And I'm surprised to open this bag because the price doesn't match the quality. And I'd like to also mention that this is not a paid or affiliated review, and I'm talking about from my own travel and everyday use perspective. So let's dive in. So the first thing, I'm going to go some of the specs. So this is the Urban Wonder 12 model, and this is the small version. And in terms of the size, this is the size right here, capacity 4 liter, and in terms of inches, 9 by 4 times 3 by 9 times 6 by 2 inches. So this is 390 gram or 0.86 pound, and this is a small version. So you can see that this is very lightweight and not too big, not too small. Now, I needed a small, effective, essential gear bag, but wanted something lightweight. Didn't want to spend like $100 or $150 like big brand bags. Then I saw KNF concept and bought it on Amazon Prime. So what happened? I expected a cheap feeling bag, but when I opened it, the quality really shocked me. So the fabric feels premium, not budget, and then the stitching is clean and straight. Structure is firm, not floppy, as you can see. And then the zipper actually is not YKK. So this is the SBS zipper, which is surprisingly also good quality, and it has like minimal branding, which you can see right here, just the KNF. It's very hard to see, and the design feels completely balanced. So this feels like a bag that should cost the double. For example, I paid only, I think, on Amazon Prime like $40, which I would say this is a steal. But even if it's like regular price, it's not expensive at all. Probably you're looking at like 50 to 60 Canadian dollars for the small version. Now there's the thick outer fabric, and it has reinforced seams, good zipper tape, and the shoulder buckles, they're very nice. And one thing is that you can actually detach them to release from your shoulder, or when you're wearing as a sling bag. So no loose threads, good padding all over the back, so you can keep in your camera gear and everything. So KNF concept usually over delivers, but this one is above their usual level. So this is perfect for small gear, for example, DJI Mic Mini, cables, SSD, GoPro, stuff like that. And also it works as a travel pouch. You don't have to use it as a camera bag. You can just use it as a travel bag. And you can also put this bag inside a larger backpack. That's another good advantage, because this is not too small and not too big. And it doesn't even feel bulky. That's another big point for my purpose. Now I'm going to be using it like for travel days, filming days, keep small items together, avoiding clutter and quick access. And also I'm going to be showing you shortly how I'm going to be putting stuff inside. So this bag reduces stress because everything stays in one place. So the thing to mention is that it has lots of small pockets and things. So let's go over them one by one. So when you open the front side, then here they're like two small pockets, very small pockets, and then here you can put in like SD card and stuff. I have just like one small kind of microfiber clothes to clean glasses and camera, and then there's like key holder, and then there's another small pocket here, and then there's a zipper here. I just put one like transit card in here, but you can put anything else. And then when you use the one compartment, this is the main place, and here even you're going to see like two other pockets here, and then this is where the dividers are. You can actually remove them and you can rearrange them. You don't have to, for example, I don't need this one, so I'm just like kind of sticking it together on the side. So if you don't need anything, you can just remove them and stick it on the side, or you can just like put it outside. And this is the main compartment. Let's look at this compartment which is going to be attaching to your body. And here actually you can even keep in your passport, and you can see that this is very nice as a passport case or passport or like something you don't want to put it on the outer side, because this is going to be attached to your body. So you can just like keep your valuable items here. And usually I'm going to be putting in like let's say credit card or something like that, because I'm not traveling with this. This is just for my camera thing. I have a separate bag for travel. So also here you can see that if you want, you can even attach a tripod, a jacket, a hat, so any bulky item you don't want to keep inside, like water bottle. So what happened yesterday, I was out with this bag, and actually I was putting my hat in here because I didn't want to wear my hat when I'm inside. So I just put my hat here, and you can just like tighten up, or you can loosen up based on the size of the product. So this is a very handy feature. This one, if you buy a regular sling bag, this one you're not going to get it. So this is kind of like a feature that would only come with the camera sling bag. So now give me a second, I'm going to just show you what I can put inside. So how I was using this yesterday, this is my GoPro Mission 1 Pro with the case, and I don't have to even take it out of the case. So I can just like put it in like this here, and you can see that it fits smoothly. And then here I have my phone and wallet, and I put those two like right here. And then I had my transit card right here, and I have like small items here and there. And this one actually I didn't use yesterday, but I can use if I need to. So you can see that you can use it to put in so many things, and the thing, and this is just doesn't feel bulky. This is a very good regular size bag which feels very nice. So let's go over some of the pros and cons then before ending the video. So the price to quality ratio is insane, because you're getting a lot but you're paying very little, and it has the premium feel. It doesn't feel cheap at all. Lightweight, very minimal design, and organizational compartments are great, perfect for small gear, everyday use, travel, camera, accessories, and everything. And then the cons, not many, but still I have to go through just to be honest. So the zippers are not YKK, it is SBS zipper, which is also like industry kind of standard zippers, not bad at all. This is not waterproof and not meant for heavy gear. So like small camera, pocket camera should be fine, but not heavy gear. And they don't have many sizes. They're just like small and medium. I picked the medium one, and I was happy that I did, because I picked the small one because I think the medium one is going to be too bulky, but a small one is the perfect fit for me. So who's this bag for? If you're a traveler, minimalist, people with a small tech setup, anyone who wants a clean organizational system, and people who do not want to spend like 80, 100, 150 for a sling bag. So I'm really happy with the product, and this one I'll be using it when I need to take out my GoPro and like other travel gear, other camera gears. This is going to be my daily bag for that. Final thoughts. So this bag completely surprised me. For the price, it doesn't make sense. If you want a small, clean, reliable pouch for everyday gear, this one is hard to beat. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.